everyone, welcome back to my channel Slice of Life with Simi. Hope you all are doing well. From a long time I have been waiting to publish this video. The topic which I am quite excited to share with you today is about packing for a toddler for long distance travel during this pandemic time. Prior to COVID, we used to travel a lot. But after COVID, just like you, we had to put a full stop to long distance travel in public transport, be it flights, bus or trains. Now that after 1.5 years we traveled to Guwahati, I thought of making this travel video. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you quite a few tips and tricks which you could refer to while packing for a kid during travel. So let's get started. While folding the garments, I always follow the rolling method while packing. I have realized over time and experience that this would help not only to save space in your luggage, but also helps not to have too many creases in your outfit. The basic mantra which I follow is I always carry the outfits based on the destination weather condition. Here I have folded all the outfits of my kid using the rolling method. I use the rolling folding method not only for my kid but also for us. Now I have kept all the folded outfits inside her suitcase. And I try not to overpack the things. I have kept her towels rolled too. Since my kid will be doing her online classes, I have packed the necessary school stuffs for her. I have discussed with a teacher on the syllabus that would be needed for the next few weeks. In this pouch, I have kept stationeries like pencil, colors, paint, sketch pens, sharpener, eraser, color papers, gum, etc. All these things are required as a part of the craft work for her online school. Her stationery box is ready to go into the suitcase now. All the essential toiletries which I carry for my kid is displayed on the screen. I ensure to carry all these toiletries in a single pouch so that I don't have to keep searching anywhere else. I have arranged all the toiletries of my kids over here. The items which I usually pack are baby soap and shampoo, lotion, rash cream, toothbrush and toothpaste, comb, baby nail cutter, baby scissor, earbuds and cotton. For my kids' toiletries, I carry a separate pouch. All the essential items are kept inside the bag and I don't have to keep searching all around. Her toiletry pouch is ready to go inside the suitcase. I carry all the medicine essentials in a bag like this. These are the day-to-day medicines like for cold, cough, fever, band-aids, baby wicks, Vaseline, Boroline, vitamin D, ear drops and earbuds. I also plan to carry the prescription for at least the last 6 months with me. With kids, we need to be prepared for everything. The medicine pouch is also ready to go into the suitcase. I keep all my kids' accessories like sunglasses, hairband, clips, rubber bands in a separate small pouch like this. This helps to quickly find the stuffs at one place. I am now placing the accessories pouch inside the suitcase. I prefer to carry a set of cutlery for my kid which she uses daily, like a plate, glass, spoons, etc. For inner wares too, I organize them separately this way and keep it handy. Handkerchief and socks are small and tend to get misplaced easily. So I ensure I keep them separately like this and keep it handy to make it readily available when I need them. I ensure to keep a few extra masks for my kid inside the suitcase as well as in my handbag. My kid enjoys her soft toys, storybooks, paintings, etc. So packing a few of them to keep her engaged. My kid loves the Pepper stories, so packing a series of 5 storybooks. These are all based on my kid's interest, so feel free to pack as per your child's interest on these items. For her shoes and slippers, I always carry inside a bag so that the other stuff does not get dirty. This is what I'm sure all of you must be following. For palm shoes, which might get creases easily, I ensure to stuff both the shoes with socks so that the shoes does not get any crease marks on it. We are now finally done with packing her shoes. Placing the shoe bag in a separate compartment is always a good practice to follow. We are now good to place the shoe bag inside the suitcase. I'm placing the medical file of my kid in case we need it during our long stay. For shorter stay, I usually carry or take the photo of the last 3 prescriptions only. Adding a packet of wet wipes into the suitcase, and with this we are done with packing our suitcase for the travel. And Inaya's suitcase is ready for the travel. The first thing that I carry in Inaya's handbag are 2 extra pair of dress for her and 2 extra pair of socks. One light jacket is always recommended to carry during travel, as you never know your kid might need it due to weather change. An extra face mask and a hand sanitizer is a must for travel during that. And along with that, I am carrying her comb and hairband too. During long distance travel, quick medicines like Band-Aid, medicines for ear pain during flight, mosquito roll-on, face wipes, etc. is what I prefer to carry. I prefer to carry an extra face shield. If your child is under 2 years, it is not recommended to make them wear face masks. So in that case, face shields are pretty much safer. A bib is what I like to carry inside the handbag, as it becomes quite messy while feeding toddlers. This is a small towel which I keep handy during travel. I always recommend that you carry wet wipes, tissue rolls or tissue papers, napkins, diapers, newspapers and a plastic bag while traveling with small kids. We all love snacks during travel, don't we? And so do our kids. For snacks, I usually pack mixed dry fruits, some chocolates and some biscuits. Usually I avoid junk food like chocolates for Inaya, but travel is one exception when she gets her favorite chocolates. Along with these, I'm carrying her favorite water bottle during travel. Here I'm carrying her spoon, her bowl and glass for eating her snacks. I keep all her cutlery items inside a small pouch made specifically for this purpose. I ensure to carry a glass bowl to serve hot meal for Inaya, which we will pack for our journey. For the kids' engagement and fun time during the trip, I carry a couple of soft toys and storybooks. Poppet is something which Inaya really loves, so I ensure that I carry one poppet for her. Now that all the things are ready, let us organize them inside the handbags one by one. So here goes the 2 set of extra outfits along with the socks. Next we are placing the jacket. And next goes the towel. Now opening the first compartment to put the stuffs inside it. This bag is quite spacious, I must say. And here goes the medicine pouch into the bag, followed by the sanitizer, and then followed by the pouch having the mask, comb and hairband. In the same compartment, I am also putting her bib. Now opening the next section to organize the stuffs over there. In this section, I plan to keep all her snacks and cutlery items. Now I am closing the zip of the second section. Closing the zip of the first section as well, as we are done organizing the stuffs over there. In this section of the bag, I plan to carry her diapers, napkins, tissue papers and newspapers, wet wipes and waste bags. I try to carry the mini packs of wet wipes, which is very easy to carry. I am very happy with the spacious 4-compartment backpack to use as a handbag for my kid. And this was bought from a local shop at ₹1,000. In this section, I am also placing her storybooks, her poppet and soft toys. And with this, we are done with organizing the third section of this bag. And then followed by zipping the last section where I have her extra outfit stored. Now I am placing the water bottle in the side pocket of the bag. I have wrapped her face shield using a paper and keeping it in a side pouch so that it is easily available. With this, our handbag is ready for the travel. Hope you liked today's video. If you did, do share your feedback, comments and best practices that you follow while packing for your kid. Also, do subscribe to my channel and be a part of my YouTube family. With this, I'm ending today's video. Take care and stay safe.